Hello guys, we are back with another tutorial, and today we're going to make this super cute elegant bracelet. It's very easy to make. It's in 3 steps. I'm going to show you the steps on how to make it. Please, before we start, consider subscribing, liking the video. It really helps a lot. If you can comment something, like if you like my work and something, that will really help me. Now, for the materials, these big beads, we're going to go with red one. These are 10 millimeter beads. So the 10 millimeter, I mean not from hole to hole, but on the side. This is 10 millimeter beads. I've used 10. You can use as many as you want. Now for the beads on the side, I've used this copy of Miyuki Delica from Temu. They're copies. That's why I have so many of them. They were cheap. They're about the same size, but they're not Miyuki Delica. You can try to use different beads, but as size, this is for Miyuki Delica size. For the thread, I went with this Toho 1G because I need it to be sturdy, because I need to pull sometimes, so I need a sturdy thread. For the needle, I'm going to go with number 11, but the thing is we will pass through the beads multiple times, so maybe try a number 12, but if like a thinner one, but if it's sturdy, because as I said, we need to pull and you don't want to break your needle. And obviously clasp, I went with this clasp. I got this, I think, from BB. They had promotion, I think. This is the clasp I've used here. But you can use, obviously we will make these little things, you can use a circle and a lobster. Okay, so prepare your beads, your big 10 millimeters, your 1 or 2 color. You can go just with 1 color, you don't have to go with 2. And thread your needle, and we're gonna start. Okay, I have my needle threaded, and I prepared my 10 millimeter and my beads. First off, pick up 9 of the silver ones. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This is just to make the loop to begin with. I'm gonna zoom in a bit, don't worry. Okay. So we have 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. And pull this down to the tail, where you're going to make 1 or 2 knots, just to make sure that it's sturdy. I'm probably gonna make 3. So that's 1. This is 2nd, and now 3rd. Now we're going to go with the needle just to enforce it. We're going to go through all of them, all the way around. Like so. And I'm at the knot here, and I'm going to go 5 more, because it's 9, so I want to have 4 on one side, 4 on the other side, and 1 which I'm going to start the work from. So this is 2 and 5. Next, you can do it anywhere. Obviously it's going to be the same amount. Now we're going to pick up 6 silver, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 10 millimeter, and again 6 silver, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Opa, they fell. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna pull them down so they don't fall anymore. Now you see your thread is coming from this side here, yes? So I'm going to go through this side with the 6, 1, 6. And I'm going to pull the work, so you will see that they're coming towards here, like so. Now we need to go pull the thread, make sure the tension is tight, like don't leave it, no, don't let it loose. Now without adding anything, you go on this side where your thread is coming through the 6 silver ones, making sure you have the tension, like so. Next up, go through the 10 millimeter, like so. pull the thread, always pull the thread. And now pick up 13 silver. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Thread is coming from this part, and we will go through this side like this. And we're pulling to make sure it's pulled hard. Like this. Now you need to go to reach the middle bead. So if you have 13 here, like you might have different numbers, you can adjust the number of the beads. We need to go through 7, so we are in the middle. So I'm going to go through these 3, and I'm going to pull. I'm going to hold on tight to the thread and to this next 4. So that my needle is exiting the 7th, which is exactly in the middle of the 13. And now we're going to do all exactly the same. I'm going to do one more time with you guys, and then you're going to do it on your own. So 6 silver, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 10 millimeter, and 6 silver, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thread is coming from this other side, so I have on my needle 6 silver, 1 10 millimeter, 6 silver, and I'm gonna go with it like this, and I'm going to pull the thread. Hold on to it, make sure it's pulled, make sure it's not loose. Thread is coming from this side, and we go through the 6 from this side. See, so it's coming from that one here, and we go through, so we reach all of them, so we can go through the 10 millimeter on that side, making sure our tension is proper. Like this. Yes. Now, without adding anything, we're going to go through the 10 millimeter, making sure the tension is proper, so pull a little bit. And now pick up 13 silver. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Thread is coming from this side, we go through this. Next, we pull so it's holding on tight, and then we go through 7 from this side up, because we need to reach again the middle. So I went through 4, gonna pull the thread, and I'm gonna go through the next 3, and I'm gonna pull the thread. And this is what you're going to do all the length of your bracelet. So do for as long as you need, and we're gonna come back and do the ending on the other side. Okay, so I did the length I needed, so I made my 10 beads. I rounded up with the silver ones. Now we're going to do the ending as we did the beginning. So your thread is coming out of this, which is the 7th from the last 13. You're just going to pick up 8 silver. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you're just gonna go through this one here with the 8. Like so. And we're going to go one more time through all of these 8, just to secure that it's not unraveling or anything. I'm just going through them without adding anything. Then I'm holding on to it because I'm not adding any beads. I'm just going one more time through this. Okay, now for the next step. You will see that between the here the 6, you have a space. Now we're going to add 1 silver bead in each of those spaces. And how we're going to do that? We're coming from here. We're going to go like this, and at the end we're gonna come like this, and we're going to go the opposite way to add the 1. So we are here, yes, we're going to go through this 6 because this is where the we added, so we go through this 5 plus 1, 6, like so, and you see there is a gap here. So I'm going to pick up a silver bead and I'm gonna go through the next beads like this. See, just adding. That's what I said, why I said that we will go several times through one to the beads. And now we'll go through that one there. So I'm just going in S's like this. Okay. See, it's coming out of here, and now I will go through this 6. So I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more. See, so I put the one here, and I will put the one here, and then I'm gonna go to put the one here. So I'm going to this 6. You see here there is a gap. Pick up a silver bead and go through the next ones. And you can pull a little bit so you have a little bit of tension. So this is what you're going to do all the way around. You're just gonna add that one silver bead after this 6, so you don't have these gaps in between at where the hole is. So do this at the end, and here you're just going to turn around and go back in S's again and do till the end. And we're gonna be done with that, adding that one silver. We're gonna come back and do the last step. Okay, so I finished going all around. I added my one bead where the holes of these red ones are. This is how it looks. Now if you want, you can keep it like this and just add the clasp. It's perfectly fine. Now after I added this last one here, I went all the way around, and from here I'm going to go through this through the 10 millimeter bead if you're gonna make the next row. So now we need to make the waves. As I said, you can make them with the silver as well. Let me just zoom in. You can make them with silver. I'm going to use gold. This as well is a copy of Delica. Now you will need to check how many you need. Like I go with 15, but you can check how many you need. So how you do? I'm going to pick up 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there might not different sizes and stuff, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it down. So this is how you check how many you need, and you make sure that it comes to these other beads on the opposite side like this, and it bobs up a little bit. So if you need less or if you need more, add or put less beads. So just from this here, yes, we go in X through this here like this. And now again 15 golden. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I'm gonna do the same. So from this side I'm just going to go through this one like this. I'm just gonna pull the thread and like this. So you're going to do this all the way till the end. Very easy, and you're going to be done. Hopefully you understand. If there is anything you don't understand, I will also make a tutorial for some earrings that would go with this pattern. I already have them here, so I'm going to make a tutorial for this. And yeah, hopefully you like it. Please make sure to check out my other videos. I have plenty of them. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff, and have fun beading. Bye bye.